Kobe, Emma's garden. Yeah.
Hi, Rubes.
I mean, Bella, she weren't scared of fireworks.
Yeah.
I'm not lying. She's crazy.
Rube, you got your wood? So far we've got 10 woods.
Hey, why don't you do that thing, Lynn?
No thanks. It's really sunny, isn't it?
I know.
On bonfire night.
Come on, Pugs. Ain't you meant to be fetching some wood in the woods?
I've still got bits of toothache, you know, and everything like that.
No one wants to know your life story.
Yeah.
Wayne's diary.
It's the cave.
Where's the witches? Where's the
Hiding.
witches?
Nice drop.
Oh my Jesus.
See if I was homeless, I'd live there.
It's there.
That's where the witches live.
Do you reckon?
They had them lock the door.
Big stage?
I just saw the witch. I just saw the witch from the bed. I just saw the witch.
Ruby obsessing over her nursery again.
Look at the pond that little bit.
Yeah.
Why's there grass there?
Filled it up.
Look at grass.